PAUT of boiler tube by time mode. This is PAUT probe, and water wall panel we have to do the PAUT. So first we have to do the open the new file, scan, encoder 1 we have to off, we have to go for time mode. So time mode without encoder. After setting this without encoder mode, time mode, we have to do the calibration and we have to scan the water wall by this method. In this case, the PAUT is being scanned by probe of the weld joint, water wall weld joint, where 100% accessible is not there. For this, we have to do the interpretation on site itself. So here we are able to do is see the defect sidewall fusion. So to confirm that, again rescanning is done to confirm the defect is or not. In PAUT time mode, there won't be any recording facility of the exact length, so we have to interpret on site itself. So rescanning, by rescanning we are confirming that the defect is sidewall fusion and that is not acceptable limit. So this is the pattern of time mode of water wall boiler tube. Thank you.